Hi guys, Wasamel nga pala. So welcome back again din sa panibagong video natin. So may bago tayo dito guys, itong Princess. So ito ay isang investment platform. So napakadali lang mag-register. Lagay lang natin yung mobile number natin, password, and then OTP. And then click lang natin yung register. Well guys, alam nyo ba na pwede tayong kumita ng libre at pwede din tayong kumita sa pag-invest lang dito kay Princess. Okay? So, eto meron sila dito 20 pesos rewards for each friend na may invite natin. So, invite subordinates to buy equipment. So, get 15% cashback. So, cashback each time. 10 product income commission. So, meron sila dito third level, second level, and first level. Sa first level is 8% yung income commission. Sa second level, 3%. So, third level naman guys is 1%. So, up to 15% commission yung makukuha natin sa product daily income and daily withdrawal. Itong treasure chest is makakuha din tayo dito ng bonus reward. So, pagka-click natin yan is mapupunta tayo dito sa treasure chest. Then, open lang natin and then enter lang natin yung secret key para makakuha tayo ng bonus reward. So, ito yung mga mobile number na nakakuha ng bonus reward. Mapapansin niyo naman dito sa baba. Then, back natin. So, ang purpose nitong si Princess guys is para kumita kahit nasa bahay ka lang. So, meron sila dito mga product. Katulad nitong si Princess 1 or product 1. So, worth of 500 pesos lang ito. So, ang daily income nito is 66 pesos. So, sa loob ng 65 days. So, try natin itong i-calculator. Kung 66 daily income yung mapuproduce nitong si product 1, and then times lang natin ito sa loob ng 65 days. So, 4,290 pesos. Minus natin ito sa ating investment. Now 500 pesos. So 3,790 yung ating profit. And then may return on investment pa tayo. Okay? So almost nag 4 times yung ating makukuha dito kay Princess sa product 1 kapag nag-invest tayo. So try natin itong product 2. So 1,200 pesos yung price niya, and then daily income is 168 pesos. So 65 days yung duration. So 168 pesos yung daily income times natin sa 65 days. So 10,920. So yung ating investment na 1,200 minus lang natin. So 9,720 yung total income natin, no? Yung profit natin sa product 2. Itong si Princess. Yun. So 10 times yung bumalik dito sa product 2. So well, kung mas malaki yung investment mo dito is mas malaki yung bigay, mas mataas yung times, no, na makukuha mo at babalik sa'yo. Kasama na doon yung return on investment mo. So dito sa Princess 4, so 768 pesos, so 5,000 ito, no? And then 65 days. Well, hanggang ano to? Hanggang Princess 11 or product 11. Okay, so mas mataas na dito yung kailangan mong invest kapag mas mataas yung product, no? Well, kung ikaw naman ay kailangan mo lang yung budget lang is pwede itong product 1. So 500 pesos lang siya. So kapag sa deposit naman dito is click lang natin itong deposit. So select lang tayo dito ng amount na gusto natin. Kung 500 pesos or 1,200 pesos, well, pwede din tayo dito mag-wallet type ng Maya, GCash at saka USDT, TRC20. Kung GCash is lagay lang natin yan and then recharge now. So, madadayag tayo sa mismong GCash. So, lalagay lang natin number natin guys and then yun. Ganun lang simple. So, makakapag-deposit na kagad tayo. Well, dito naman sa earnings, makikita natin ibang earnings dito, yung ating data. So, task naman. So, may daily task sila dito. So, invite friend to invest. So, makakakuha tayo dito ng 20 pesos na libre. And then, kapag 5 kaibigan natin invite natin is 150 pesos. So, 300 pesos naman kapag 10, 600 naman kapag 30. And then, kapag 50, yung na-invite natin is 1,000 pesos. So, kapag 100 is 1,800. So, 8,000 naman kapag 300 yung na-invite natin. And then, 15,000 kapag 500 friends na. So, 50,000 naman guys is kapag 1,000 friends na yung na-invite natin. So, 200 pesos naman is kapag 3,000 friends na yung nakapag-invest dito at na-invite natin. Alright, so well, ganun lang simple. Ito nga si Princess. So kanina guys is nag-withdraw tayo dito. Ayan guys, no? Pumasok na siya sa ating GCash. Okay? So worth of 2,470 pesos yung ating withdraw dito. Alright, so click lang natin itong mine natin and then itong withdrawal. And then input lang natin dito yung ating withdrawal amount. And then okay, so lagay lang natin yung real name natin and then yung GCash number natin yung account. Well, and then pwede na tayo dito mag-withdraw. So withdrawal time is from Monday to Sunday. So the withdrawal fee is 20%, no handling fee. So minimum withdrawal amount is 150 pesos. So you need to recharge to purchase the device to activate the withdrawal function. So in order to prevent illegal money laundering, the deposit amount cannot be withdrawn directly. Alright? So pwede natin i-share yung ating ditong QR code. So invitation code natin. So copy link lang natin yan. Well, meron din sila ditong up to 15%, no? So product zero does not include cashback and commissions. So invite friends to invest and get cashback every day. Well, 10 product income commission. So level 1 8%, level 2 3%, level 3 is 1%. So product daily income, daily withdrawal. Well, ganun. Napakasimple lang itong si Princess, okay? So, kung may mga katanungan naman kayo, mga concern is pwede natin sila, pwede tayo mag-connect sa kanila ng Telegram channel. Pwede natin bisitahin yung discussion group nila dito sa Telegram is pwede din natin bisitahin din yung customer service nila kung may mga concern tayo. Well, pakita ko sa inyo guys, no, yung ating withdrawal records dito. So 3,250. So meron siyang 24% handling fee. And then yun, so kaya may 24%, kaya ganun kataasin is para sa maintenance cost nitong itong website nila, no. Alright? So 3,250. So pumasok na yun sa ating GCash. So ganun lang simple guys. Kung interesado ka dito is pwede mong i-click yung link sa description at mag-register na dito. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang guys.